Well, needless to say, it's a little embarrassing, but just so you know, even the pros make mistakes from time to time, and this is one of them. So yes, I like to leave my glue tube sitting out in the sun to heat up, but it's pretty bright out today, pretty hot, and I guess I left them in the sun for too long, because what happened was I grabbed a new tube, came over, and I don't know if I just squeezed a little bit to apply some pressure, but the whole back end of the tube fell out and all the glue poured onto my turf. Now, when I'm doing training sessions, I'll actually squirt some glue on the turf. Everybody kind of freaks out, you know, you get some gasps. But then I just show them that because this is moisture activated, what we want to do is we'll just pour some water on it. Normally it's a little gob like this. I've never had this much on it, but it reacts the same. So what we're going to do, we're just going to pour water all over this. Now there's a lot here, but we're just going to pour water all over this, and we'll come back in an hour or so and check on it, and I'll keep pouring water on it periodically. But what will happen is this will kind of foam up a little bit, expand, and then we'll just be able to peel it off. So I'm a little bit more bummed that I wasted this much glue, and now I gotta check on it. Could delay me from getting off this project for another hour or so until this dries enough that I can peel it off. But again, don't panic. Just pour water all over your glue drops. Don't try to dig it out and like scrape it out, because you just make it worse. Just leave it, pour the water on it, check on it periodically. It's probably going to take 2 hours or so, maybe less, and then I can just peel the whole thing off.